friends! My name is Glenis Ivana Petrus.
And my name is Glena Orva Petrus.
We are from class 5 DLP1 and we are students at SK Serigaya. So Glena, what is a STEM project product?
This is our STEM project product. It is a DIY water dispenser. I already filled it with clean water, as you can see. How it works is that you twist the cap and the water will come out. Cool, right?
Yes, it's very cool. And refreshing.
So Glennis, how does the water come out when we twist and open the cap?
Because of air pressure, when air flows in, the water will come out. As you saw, like before.
What happens if you close the cap?
When you close the cap, the air will stop and make the water stop also.
That is very interesting and fascinating.
Thank you. So Glenna, is this water dispenser easy to make?
Yes, it is, because it's made from recycled objects and it is very easy to find and cheap to make, but very, very useful. Glennis, can you help me elaborate on how and why this water dispenser is useful?
Yes, I can. This water dispenser is useful because it can help reduce plastic waste and can save our planet. So if you want to know how to make this water dispenser, you can refer to our PowerPoint report to see all the measurements and the steps on how to do this water dispenser. So friends, remember, reduce, reuse, recycle. Bye!